Hello student, welcome to Mathologic, and today we take another video of trigonometry. In the previous video we discussed about the basic principle of trigonometry, and today we solve some basic questions. Okay, so the first question is 1 plus tan alpha whole square plus 1 minus tan alpha whole square is equals to 2 sec square alpha. We have to prove it. Okay, so we take left hand side, that is 1 plus tan alpha whole square plus 1 minus tan alpha whole square. Okay, so that is a plus b whole square formula. So we use a square, that is 1 square 1, plus 2ab, that is 2 tan alpha, plus b square, that is tan square alpha. That is a minus b whole square, so a square, that is 1, minus 2ab, that is 2 tan alpha, plus b square, that is tan square alpha. Okay, plus 2 tan alpha minus 2 tan alpha cancel out, so we get 2 plus 2 tan square alpha. If we common 2, we get 1 plus tan square alpha, that is equals to 2 into sec square alpha equals to RHS, hence proved. Now we take another example. Given that root under 1 minus cos alpha by 1 plus cos alpha equals to sin alpha by 1 plus cos alpha. We have to prove it. So we take left hand side, that is root under 1 minus cos alpha by 1 plus cos alpha. Okay. So we have to rationalize it. That means we multiply 1 plus cos alpha in numerator and denominator both. So what we get? We get 1 minus cos alpha, 1 plus cos alpha divided by 1 plus cos alpha into 1 plus cos alpha. So that is a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square formation. So we get root under 1 minus cos square alpha divided by 1 plus cos alpha whole square. Right? We know 1 minus cos square alpha equals to sin square alpha. So we get root under sin square alpha divided by 1 plus cos alpha whole square. Now square and square root cancel out. So we get sin alpha by 1 plus cos alpha. That is equals to RHS. Hence proved. Like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.